Hello everyone. Today we are going to see excretion in animals. The removal of waste produced in the cells of various living organisms is called excretion. The waste produced by the cells during various life processes become toxic if it remains in our body. So it is necessary for it to be removed. This process of removal of waste is known as excretion, and the organs involved in excretion form the excretory system. Now let us see the excretion in human beings. This is the excretory system in human beings. The parts of the excretory system in human beings are a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The waste present in the blood has to be removed from the body. This is done by the blood capillaries in the kidneys. When the blood reaches the two kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood, and the waste dissolved in water are removed as urine. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through tube-like ureters. It is stored in the bladder and is passed out through the urinary opening at the end of a muscular tube called urethra. An adult human being normally excretes 1 to 1.8 liters of urine in 24 hours. Urine consists of 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other waste products. Sometimes a person's kidney may stop working, at the time of which the blood need to be filtered using an artificial kidney. This process is called dialysis. The excretory product in animals vary according to the availability of water. In fishes, it is ammonia, whereas in birds, lizards, and snakes, it is uric acid. Let us see transport of substances in plants. Roots of the plants take water and mineral nutrients from the soil and transport it to the leaves. Roots have hairs, and these root hairs help in absorbing water and minerals. Hairs increases the absorption of water and mineral nutrients from soil. Plants have pipe-like vessels to transport water and nutrients from the soil. These pipe-like vessels are called the xylem. The xylem is a part of the vascular tissue, and it is made up of special cells. Xylem forms a continuous network of channels that connects root to the leaves through the stem and branches, thus transporting water to the entire plant. As you know, in plants, food is prepared by leaves. This food should be transported to different parts of the plant by another tissue called phloem. Let us see what is transpiration. The excess water in plants evaporates through the stomata present on the surface of the leaves by the process of transpiration. Transpiration helps to pull water to greater heights in tall trees, and it also cools the plant.